The police find one of this in the back by us today. Like better crack down on any community. You know how much of these shit that I have right now? Thousands, but 100,000s of this. When it's New Year's, the amount of rifle busted. Yeah. You ever hear about Rifle Hill? We need to make a difference in the community right now. We need to help in Trinidad. And about. You understand?
What about the poor? What about the poor? Where the system ignore from ceiling to floor. What about the poor? What about the poor? Where the government ignore from the sky to the shore.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, the artist them, go and send in the music and go and link me. But I want to know if you sign up on TRINIBAD.com. Yo, TRINIBAD, Sangre Grande boss, the realest Dan, KK. Yo, Rum Cream, all of the people them in Kingston, Jamaica, Port of Spain, Bridgetown, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, big up on yourself. Let's go. At the screen in front of you. And that the police them find today. Cause the night no over yet. In Sangre Grande, them have an operation and look on the type of gun where the man them have, yo. Listen, the gun raised the hair on the back of my neck. Now, I did do a video for Hernandez, cause I get a one gun link. You see what I'm saying? And I bring in something. But check this out. Where all the gun them a come from at Trinidad? Me know where all the gun them a come from, you know. You see, all the gun them are come from South America. Right now, you see, Trinidad, it look like a Venezuela around Trinidad. From where me see, because all the cartels them are live up in the Westmoreans and on the private island in a them big boat. Today, me and Sangre Grande boss talk. And we kinda discuss the gang thing and whatnot. So Sangre Grande boss said to me, you know, say Jamaica man them have murder music too. And I say, yeah. I know say them have murder music. I say, yeah. We know say we have murder music. But the difference is when the Jamaican artists them a beef, them keep it lyrical. And the man them make the money and go and live in a them big house uptown. So you know where Sangre Grande turned to me and say, him say, the youth them at Trinidad, them fully dunce. Him say the man them now go school, them now try elevate themselves, them now try uplift themselves. And the much fuckery a go on. That's why so much fuckery a go on. Him say, the man them, all of them buy the drugs from the same cartel. And when them go around the cartel them, you think them can't shoot no gun and go on with no fuckery? Them can't do none of them thing there. Them bring it back to them neighborhood. So, Trinidad, just like Jamaica, have some really serious issue. But Trinidad have a bigger issue than Jamaica. And the reason why Trinidad have a bigger issue, it's right in the mouth of the dragon. I guess the next stupid question would be a really stupid question. Why the politician them now do not about it and the police? Now, same thing like Jamaica, the police them tired and them throw all of them blood clot social problem on the pussy clot police them. I expect the police to do with blood clot family should have the mother and father raise them fucking kids. Well, we have the same thing I go on at Jamaica, or I go on at Trinidad. The politician them nah do nothing. And the reason why them nah do nothing, because when election come, I the same set of man them with them kind of gun here and bring them vote. Cause them run the whole blood clot neighborhood. I want to follow me, you know. Same thing like Jamaica. You understand? Same thing like Jamaica, you know. The only difference with Jamaica than Trinidad, Trinidad have more gun than Jamaica. And Trinidad have more money than Jamaica. Trinidad are straight, rich, badness, and at that, the politician them a do. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And the artist them I want to listen. I done talk about this, you know. You understand? I'm done me not wear this out at all, but rich badness, that I go on at Trinidad straight. I'm out. My name is Countryman.